Try some giant crickets. And I'm here with some of the Portland guys and some of the folks from Milwaukee. Everybody take their cricket.
Not any, huh? Not too long.
Sir.
Are you gonna try one?
I did it once, not doing it again.
I was scratching for you.
Not too long.
At least try it.
Big it is. Wow.
Not
Hello.
too long.
It's easier to eat the heads than the wings.
Ooh, you better not want to smell. So you just right put it in your mouth.
Oh, you said you're gonna do it.
I don't want to edit this part out. Okay, so just eat half of it. Okay.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Oh, yeah, close your eyes.
Just eat half of one.
You're just eating one.
You can do it. You can do it.
Alright. Head first. Head first.
No, the whole thing.
Good. Are we gonna try it?
The whole thing.
Yeah, yes.
The whole thing. The whole thing.
You gotta chew it. Alright, cheers.
Swallow it.
You guys chew it?
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah. Cheers. Wow.
Excellent taste.
Tastes like nothing else. Bye. You don't think about
Yeah,
it?
I did.
No, you didn't. It tastes like eating a shrimp with the shell on.
Yeah,
Little
definitely.
orange brush. Nó không nước lạnh kìa. Nước đó. Rồi. Còn nước lạnh.
We have more.
It was water. I thought it was getting to me now.
It's good, you guys. You guys did a good job.
It's not that bad, huh?
It's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad at all.
What is yours? I showed one in my mouth already.
Okay.